The season of parties is upon us.
Whether you're hosting or bringing a dish with you, today, Parker Wallace, author of Eat Rich, Stay Skinny, A Girl's Guide to Holiday Feasting, is sharing ideas on foods to make and eat that won't send you down the weight gain path.
Parker, I just like the title.
That's right.
Yeah, Eat Rich, Stay Skinny. Is that possible?
It is. You know, you guys, no food should be on the naughty list. It's all about little indulgences.
Little indulgences. What do you got in front of you? It looks like you've got a lot of little things.
Yeah.
You know, quality ingredients are so important, and when I'm entertaining friends and family, one of the biggest challenges is people who have dietary restrictions. So I used to have a rule, no vegans at my holiday table because they're so high maintenance. And so one of my must-haves now, seriously, who wants to feed a vegan? Now I do, because I discovered Just Egg. And this is a game changer because it looks, it tastes, and it bakes just like chicken eggs, but they're made from mung beans. So it's plant-based, it's vegan. I've incorporated it into my little holiday quiches here. And for a little sweet indulgence, the Just cookie dough is amazing. You can eat it raw because there aren't any eggs in it, and you can bake it up for holiday cookies. So great. And I love supporting brands that they taste good, but they're also doing good for the communities. And this is really a company who's such an important priority to, you know, create a better food system that's just for all. So really good all around.
You know, I'm just struck by how pretty they are. I like the packaging.
Yeah.
It would be nice to bring as a hostess gift too. I mean, some of the cookie dough especially.
Absolutely.
All right, so you wrote a book.
Absolutely.
How do we avoid gaining weight?
Yeah.
You guys, think about ingredients that are going to have all of those flavors without all the fat and calories. So peppers are an essential ingredient because you can incorporate them into so many different things. So one of my go-to pantry staples, Rio Luna nacho sliced jalapenos. Their peppers come in so many varieties. You got the diced green chilies, the large chopped green chilies, and I've incorporated them into my crab cakes here. But the real showstopper is that green chili mayo that really takes the flavor over the top. And then a big surprise for guests when you incorporate them into a sweet dish. So my Fudgy Brownies here, I've actually put some of those Rio Luna peppers in, and you get the sweet, the decadence of the chocolate, and then that little pop of flavor and spice that your friends are like, oh my God, what is this? And you got the jalapenos.
Okay. And what about beverages?
Okay, I'm a bourbon girl personally, so the old-fashioned is my go-to, whether I'm serving my guests or just unwinding. You know, at lunchtime sometimes, that's all right. I love it, whether it's rye whiskey, bourbon, and you incorporate the simple syrup and the orange and the cherries, and the key ingredient that ties it all together, the Angostura aromatic bitters. This is a recipe they perfected like 200 years ago, you guys, so it is perfection. And whether you're making the cocktail or a mocktail, you can also keep it in your pantry and incorporate it into your holiday dishes. So I've actually used the orange bitters infused into my honey here that I've drizzled over this melty brie and the crispy, crunchy crostini, and I even put it into my meatball batter and my ancho chili sauce. So really elevates the flavor with some herbaceous citrus flavors that are awesome.
So I know a lot of these are going to surprise your guests, but is there one thing in particular that we don't know about that's really going to surprise them?
Well, for me, the surprise on Thanksgiving is when I don't serve a turkey. I mean, everyone's like, turkey's kind of secretly like the dry thing that no one really wants, but everyone has because you have to have turkey. So I do like a rack of lamb or a bacon-stuffed, bacon-wrapped pork tenderloin with garlic, and everyone's like, oh, thank God you didn't do the turkey, you know? So it's all about just changing up the traditions and keeping the ingredients really great.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Parker. We appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Where are you spending Thanksgiving, Parker?
I'm hosting a holiday party at home, and there will not be turkey on the table, but there will be all of these great things.
That is awesome. Well,
no turkey, but you will have vegan options.
Yes, vegan options too. Vegans are allowed this year.
Okay.
They're allowed.
Thanks a lot. Have a great holiday.
You too. Thanks, guys.
All right, for great recipes and more, check out Parker's website. It's parkersplate.com.